Hi, in this video I'm going to solving practice question for review exercise Pythagoras theorem and similar shapes. Okay, look at number 1. So the school caretaker wants to mark out the sport field. This 50-meter wide and 120-meter long. To make sure that the field is rectangular, he needs to know how long each diagonal should be. Okay, first we'll make the sketch for A. So the wide is 50 meter, the long is 120 meter. We need to find the diagonal. If we can mention, this will make a right angle triangle. So we can use a Pythagoras, which this is the hypotenuse. So we need to find the hypotenuse equal to square root of 120 square plus 50 square. So this 14400 plus by is 2500. So this equal to 16900. Or the hypotenuse or diagonal, it has to be 130 meter. So this diagonal 130 meter, and another diagonal also will be 130 meter. Next, number 2. Okay, in triangle ABC, AB is 10, BC 8, AC 6. Determine whether the triangle is right angle or not, and give the reason. Okay, so let's see, the hypotenuse always be the longest line, which is 10. So we can make it 10 square equal to 8 square plus 6 square. So this is 100 equal to 64 plus 36. So 100 equal to 100. Yeah. So this is the triangle ABC is right angle. Okay, number 3. Find the length of the segment joining each. Okay, so to find the length, so this is the length equal to square root of x1 minus x2, and we make it square, plus by y1 minus y2, and we make it square. So this is the formula. So we got this is x1, x2, y1, y2. Let's find it A. So the length is square root of minus 1 minus by 2 square plus by 5 minus 8 square. So the length, this equal to, we got minus 3 square, which is 9, plus minus 3 square, 9. So the length is square root of 18, or we can write as 4.24. Next B, so x1, x2, y1, y2. So B for the length of B. Okay, so the length equal to square root of x1, we got minus 1 minus by 1, make it square. And then we got 3 minus by 7, and we make it square. So minus 1 here for the length, minus 1 minus by minus is minus 2, and square is 4, plus by 3 minus 7 is 4. So this is gonna be 16. So the length equal to square root of 20, or we can write as 4.47. Okay, next C. So x1, x2, y1, y2. So let's see, the length of the C is square root of 0 minus 2, make it square, plus by 4 minus 2, we make it square. So the length is gonna be 0 minus 2 is minus 2 square is 4, plus by 4 again. So the length equal to square root of 8, or this is 2.83. 3. Sorry. So also x1, x2, y1, y2. So for D, the length is square root of, we got minus 2 minus by 1 make a square plus by 5 minus 1 make a square. So the length equal to, this is minus 3 square which is 9 plus by 4 square is 16. So the length equal to square root of 25, or this equal to 5. So the last question, x1, x2, y1, y2. So the length here, we got minus 1.5 minus by minus 1.5. Then make a square plus by minus 1.5. Okay, minus by 2. We make a square. So it's gonna be square root of 0 square. So minus 5. So plus by wait. So minus 5. So it's gonna be 3. Yeah, minus 3.5 square. Okay, we got my 3.5 square. So which the length equal to square root of 12.25, or this equal to 3.5. Okay, go on number 4. A triangle with sides 25, 65, and 66 similar to another triangle with its longest side is 9. Okay, we will find it. So it's gonna be 25, 60, and the longest is 65. Another one, the longest sides. So this is the longest side. They are all similar. So this is 9, 7, 5. So this is x, this is y. So this 65 over 60 and 65 over 975 equal to 60 over x. So we can simplify it. 975 divided by, so both of them we divide by 65, divided by 65. So it's going to be 1 over 5 equal to 60 over x. So x equal to 300. So this is 300. Over here, let's find it. So 65 over 975 equal to 25 over y. So we simplify it. It's not 1 over 5, it's 1 over 15. So we need to find 15 times 60. So this is going to be 900. Also 900. So this is 1 over 15 equal to 25 over y. So y equal to 25 times 15, which is 375. So this is 375. The perimeter, so the perimeter equal to 975 plus by 900, and we plus by 375. So the perimeter is equal to 2250 millimeter. Okay. Calculate the missing dimension or angle in each. Okay, in each pair of similar triangle. Okay, this is similar. So if this is 4.5. Okay, so 4.5 over 13.5 equal to x over here 10.5. So 13.5 we can divide by 4.5. We can simplify, so it's going to be 1 over 3 to x over 10.5. So we can go on here. So 3x equal to 10.5. So we divide by 3 both of sides. So x equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, next. Oh yeah, 30, 60, we will find the angle. So 30 is equal to 30. So 63 will equal to x. So x equal to 63 degree and y equal to 87 degree as the angle are corresponding. Next C. Okay, we got 5 over 15 equal to x over 36. We could simplify it. It's gonna be 1 over 3 x over 36. So we can continue here. 3x equal to 36. So x we divide by 3 both of sides. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So x equal to 12 centimeter. Calculate the ratio of the area of each pair of similar shape. Okay, the ratio. Okay, we can find it. So this is 3 times 1.5. So the area is 4.5 meter square, and this area is 1.5 multiplied by 0.75. So it's gonna be 1.125 meter square. So 4.5 we divided by 1.125. So this both of them we divided by 1.125, also 1.125. So the ratio is 4 to this ratio is 1. Okay, next the circle. So the area of the circle is pi r squared. So let's keep it in pi. So r square, so we got 50 square is 2500 pi, and here 150 square is 22500 pi. So let us divide it both of them by 25005. Here also 2500 pi. So the ratio is gonna be 1 to 9. Okay. Now is 7. The two parallelogram. We can see from here the parallelogram below are similar. Okay, we got it similar. The area is the larger. Find the area of the smaller. So the area of the smaller. Okay, let's make it area x equal to this area is 288 equal to this 4.5. We make it square. Divide by 18 square. So let us find it. 4.5 square. This is 20.25 divided by, we got 18 square. 324. Can we divide by 20.25? Yeah, here we can simplify it. So area x, so it's 288. Here we can simplify it. Both of them by 20 divided by 20.25. So the area of x over 288 equal to 1 over 16. So 16 times area x equal to 288. So we can divide by 16 both sides. So the area x of the smallest is 288 divided by 16, which is equal to 18. So this is the area equal to 18 centimeter square. Okay, number 8. Cuboid. Okay, the volume. The surface area. We are still working of the area. So this area A. So area A equal to 60,800 equal to 50 square over 80 square. So it's gonna be 25, 0, 0. Here is 64, 0, 0. Could simplify it. So the area A over 60,800 equal to 25 over 64. We cannot simplify it, so we can make it 64 here. Area A equal to 25 times 60,800. So both of them we divide by 64. So area A equal to, let's make it 60,800. We divide by 64. Okay, and multiply it by 25. So this is 950 and 25 times 950. So the area of A is gonna be 23,750. So this area is 23,750 millimeter square. 9. A square base pyramid has a base of area, okay, and a volume of 16. Calculate the perpendicular head of the pyramid. Okay, I will continue the next part because my pen need to be charged. Okay, thank you.